The YouTube audio library is very easy to use. In it is pre-created music ready for you to download. You can search up the music by genre, by mood, instruments, how long you might need it to be. This is important, especially if you want it to fade out and you want it to fit. You can search for very short pieces or long pieces, making it easier to edit and fade out. Also here, you can look it up under different attributions. So when we're using other people's music, that music is automatically copyrighted. You want to make sure that you're using music that either you can just say in the end of the video somewhere who created the music. That's called an attribution, who you are crediting with making that music. Or you can find music where the attribution is not required. You just saw all the music change there in my row, but all the music that it just changed to are music that you don't have to say who created that music in your video projects. This makes it very simple. Once you find a song that you want, again, really simple. Let's say I want this piece of music. Attribution was not required. I'm going to download that music. Now it's in my downloads folder, ready to use or put or drag into whatever music project that I'm getting ready to work on. You can also find a library of sound effects, and you can again search different categories of sound effects that you might be looking for.